Hello everyone, it's your girl Cassandra Olivia. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. This is my second ever nail video on this channel, and this is actually my first time trying out Polygel, period. So don't crucify me, guys. I just decided to go ahead and test this kit out. This is the purple kit that I got off of Amazon. It retails for, it's now like 45 bucks, but it was cheaper than that when I got it. But you know, supply and demand is going up because everybody wants it. So in the kit, it comes with a double-sided tool. One side is, I guess, a scraper tool, and the other side is a brush. It has nail cleaner that's also used as a it's like a 2-in-1. I forget what exactly it is. It's like a 2-in-1 solution cleaner type situation. And then it also comes with a nice nail file along with a clear and 3 purple polygels, should I say. And then it comes with a top coat and a base coat. So here I am. I just slid my tips into my red Iguana hand, and I am not gluing these on only because this is my first time doing polygel and I did not want to ruin my hand. So in the up and coming videos, the nail tips will actually be glued on just because I don't want them to move around. And you'll see I was struggling in this video because the polygel is sticky, and then sometimes when I put it on, it would stick to the nail and the nail would fly off. But I kept all that in here because we are here to learn and to grow and to practice, and I'm pretty sure there's like millions of other people that want to start doing polygel because we are forced to, because we are stuck at home. So here I am just using the file. I'm just buffing off that shiny layer of the nail, and I'm just dusting away that. And I'm just putting alcohol in here. I'm using 91% alcohol, and it's a little hack that I saw online basically saying not to use the solution that they gave you. Use alcohol, it moves a little bit better. And the product was a little stiff because it was freezing in my house, so I just went ahead and put them inside of a bowl of hot water so that way it'll move a little bit better for me. So once the tips are on, I'm just going in with that base coat, and I'm going to put this on all of the nails, and I'm going to cure it. And then I'm just going to do one of each color of polygel and clear because I just wanted to try this out and see which colors I liked. And I don't think I did terrible for my first time, guys, but I definitely can improve on it and take my time and do other things. But this was definitely fun. I'll try it again. It's different, it's new. So yeah, I'm just putting that in here. This is how it looks like first coat only. And now I'm just gonna go in with that first color. Let me see, I'm on my little Makartt listing now. Hold on, y'all. I'm going in with that first shade. It's called Lavender. And I'm just gonna apply that on the nail, and I'm gonna use that alcohol and just use that to smooth out the nail surface. So that pinky nail, I'm gonna use Lavender. The one next to it, I'm gonna use Violet. The one after that, I'm gonna use Clear. And the very last one, I'm gonna use Purple Jam. I will link what I used in the description box below. It's just a little kit that I got off of Amazon just to kill time. And I'll probably try to do these on my hand at some point, but because I'm new to this, I did not even want to embarrass myself like that, guys. So I figured at least if I F this up, it'll be on a fake hand and not on my real hand or somebody else. So as you can see, I'm just tapping this product in. It wasn't too terrible to work with. It's just sticky, and you have to be careful not to put too much alcohol in there. And make sure that your brush isn't dry, because if it's dry, it's gonna stick to it. It's a lot of things you just have to finesse with this. But once you get the hang of it, guys, I promise it's super easy. So this, like I said, it's not a tutorial because I'm no nail expert at all, period. I have not done nails in 9 years. I don't even know none of the new techniques, none of that. But I'm just doing this as a hobby because I'm at home, and this kind of just soothes me after having a long day of teaching and dealing with, you know, my children and my husband, all that. This is just like my mental escape. So that first nail I did in real time just to show you that first section of me patting it, but I am going to speed this up just because in total this took me, I think, an hour and 10 minutes altogether, start to finish. But of course this video is not that long, so I'm going to speed up some parts and I'm going to slow down some parts. And just let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you guys have tried polygel recently or have had polygel nails before. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Me personally, I think because I'm used to acrylic, I just gravitate towards acrylic, but this polygel was not terrible, and it did not take as long as acrylic takes. But I just like how, I don't know, I just like the whole process of acrylic application and all of that. So yeah, let me know your thoughts, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pop these other nails on, and I'll come back when I'm done. That's what's so bright. So it was on this nail that I pretty much realized that I should have definitely glued these tips, because they were slipping and sliding, and then I felt like I was doing good, but then I was sabotaging myself. So yeah, if you're working with polygel, just make sure that the nail tips are secured, because my nail tips were the furthest thing from secure, and I was over here struggling. Okay, so now I'm done the first application, and I'm just gonna put these inside of the UV light. I wanted to show you guys how busted they look before I did that. And then I let that cure for about, I think, a minute and a half to 2 minutes. I double cured it just to be on the safe side, because I'm like, yo, this cannot go any worse, and it's already going. So then I just went ahead with each individual color and just reapplied each color, doing the same thing I did before, and then I just put them right back under into the UV light. So this is the second application. Now I'm just taking that nail cleaner that came in the kit on a piece of paper towel, and I'm just wiping the nails off, because they did have like a slightly sticky layer, but I'm not sure if that's how the polygel is or if it's because I put too much alcohol. I don't know. But once I did that, they were pretty matte. So I just went in and started filing the nails, and as you can see, the nails are slipping and sliding because they are not glued in or secured. So yeah, I'm just holding it with my hand. I'm just gonna go ahead and file each individual nail, and just file the top, the sides, the bottoms, and I like to file underneath also, just to make sure anything didn't like go underneath the free edge, and making sure that it's nice and crisp, so when when you turn your hands over, you have a nice little C curve. At least that's what I was trying to do in my head. You feel me? I don't know if that's exactly what's relayed on the camera, but in my head, this was gonna come out bomb. It was gonna take a turn for the best. It was gonna come together in the last second, guys. And it kind of did, not even to my own horn, but for me to first be using this for the first time ever, I was pretty excited with the end result. It wasn't terrible. I'll give it like a 5 out of 10. I mean, I could get away with this, but you would just have to make sure if you wore these, you have to keep your hands moving. You can't be letting nobody zoom in upon your work when you first start. Like, we all gotta mess up and get better. So now that that's done, I'm just using that nail file, and I'm just gonna go ahead and file the nails and the top. And I believe I buffed the nails, I cannot remember, but I'm just gonna do all of that. And once I'm done doing that and making sure the shape looks nice, I am going to cure these again and put some base coat on, or some top coat, let me rephrase that. And the reason why I hold the nails like this is because ideally, if you have a client, you wanna make sure that you hold it this way, so that way when they hold their hands up and you look at it from your point of view, both points of views, the nails look nice. So when she holds it up and look at her hand, it's cute, and when you show your hand off to somebody, it still looks cute. That makes sense. So yeah, that was the thought process behind here. Obviously, I'm not doing nobody's nails with this hand, but I still want to get in the routine of just getting used to doing that. So this is how it looks after it's filed, and I'm like, okay, it's starting to come together a little bit. So now I'm just gonna dust all this extra powder off, which I believe I did off camera. I'm just going in with some top coat. So once I put this top coat on, I'm gonna let this cure for about, I think I let this cure honestly for like 3 minutes. I kept hitting that 60-second button just to be on the safe side. And that is pretty much it. I can't remember if I wiped the layer off of this top coat, if I left it. But to be completely honest, I don't believe I did, only because it's a fake hand. But yeah, we're gonna just top coat this and cure it, and this is pretty much it. I just want to show you guys the color, give you guys my, I guess, initial thoughts and review on this. It is beginner friendly to me, but you definitely gonna have to work on this and just take your time. Don't rush and don't get frustrated, because sometimes when I find myself rushing or trying to be a perfectionist, I end up stressing myself out. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my little nail tutorials slash videos slash vent sessions, and I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. As always, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram at _Cassandra_Olivia, and I will show you guys the end result in a second. Drop a comment down below if you're feeling this. If you're not feeling it, I want to know your honest opinions and some constructive criticism, if I can talk criticism. So yeah, give me some criticism and just let me know what I can do, I guess, to make this easier. But yeah, this is the end result, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye. That's what's so bright.